Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the image quality on the Manga app application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the My Page section at the bottom of the screen and go to the Settings section of the upper right corner of the screen and find it the Image Quality Settings and step on it. And here select High Quality or Low Quality and just tap to the white circle. And done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.